Hi, Punnett Square fans. Today we're going to talk about sex determination. Because really, who doesn't love sex determination? So as we all know, in order to be female in human beings, you have to have two X chromosomes. In order to be male, you need to have an X and a Y chromosome. So how do we determine what an offspring is going to look like? Well, guess what? We use the Punnett Square. Yay! We love the Punnett Square. So here's our little Punnett Square. Now, if you're female, all of your eggs are going to have an X in the gametes, right? Because that's all females have to give away. So half of the gametes are going to have this X, and the other half are going to have this X, through the process of meiosis, of course. Okay? And so if we put the female gametes up on top of the Punnett Square, and the male gametes, half of the sperm are going to have the X chromosome from the male, and the other half are going to have the Y chromosome from the male. So here we go. We're going to denote the Y chromosome as a Y, and the X chromosome as an X. Okay, and then we do the Punnett Square as we normally would. We bring the X over, we bring the Y over, we bring the X down, we bring this X down. And what do we see? We see 1/2 the offspring have two X's, or are female. And the other half of the offspring have an X and a Y, and are male. There you have it, 50-50 chance at any sexual reproduction between human beings of having a female or a male. That's sex determination. I hope you've enjoyed this educreation.